In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a theme from your Shopify store. This process is straightforward and takes just a few minutes, but it's important to know exactly how to do it so you can keep your Shopify dashboard clean and organized. Start by navigating to your Shopify dashboard. This is essentially the control hub for your store, where you manage everything from products to orders and, of course, your online store's appearance. Once you're on the dashboard, look to the left-hand side of your screen where you'll see a menu with different options. From this menu, you want to locate and click on Online Store. Selecting Online Store takes you to a section where you can manage the various themes that you've added to your Shopify account. Now, click on Themes. This will bring up your theme library, which is where all the themes associated with your Shopify store are stored. Here you'll see all the themes you've used, as well as those you may have experimented with but aren't actively using. Head over to the Theme Library to identify the theme you wish to remove. This library can include a mix of active and inactive themes, and it's key to ensure you're actually removing the right one so as not to accidentally delete a theme you still want or need. Once you've identified the theme you want to remove, look toward the right side of the theme within the list, where you'll find a row of 3 dots. This icon often indicates a drop-down menu where further actions are available. Click on these 3-dot buttons. This will open up a small menu with a few choices for managing the theme. From the drop-down menu, select the Remove option. After selecting Remove, a pop-up window will appear, prompting you to confirm your decision. This confirmation step is in place to prevent accidental deletions, so make sure to double-check that you're removing the correct theme before proceeding. If you're confident that this is the theme you want to delete, go ahead and click Remove once more to finalize the action. It's worth noting that removing a theme from your theme library is a permanent action, meaning that once it's gone, you'll need to add it again if you decide you want to use it in the future. So always ensure the theme you are removing isn't something you might need later on. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've successfully removed a theme from your Shopify store. Keeping your theme library organized in this way can help streamline your workload and make your Shopify experience more efficient. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful.